Hi! While trying to find the best e-commerce solution for business, I have found that there are many options out there and they all claim to be the best. I have found that many are missing the necessary SEO features to get your store ranked as high as possible. In this short video, I'm going to tell you about the really best platform in the best e-commerce category that I use all the time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hi, today I bring you a very detailed review of Podia.com. Do you want to sell online courses, ebooks, digital downloads, membership subscriptions, or any other digital products? Building a membership site, online course, and ebooks is easy, but it's tough to find potential customers when marketing and selling these things. You may have found several options with which you can easily sell these things and generate income. If I tell you there is a platform called Podia that is much better than other platforms in terms of functionality, features, customer support, and principles. Bottom line, Podia is one of the best new digital selling platforms we've ever seen. A simple, fun, and pleasant interface takes up almost everything. With Podia, you have 0% transaction commission on sales, whereas Teachable charges you 5% even on their premium plan. They are creator-oriented. Podia is a platform that allows you to sell memberships, online courses, and digital downloads. With Podia, you can easily sell memberships, online courses, and digital downloads directly to your audience. Podia is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income by selling online courses. Podia offers a clean and intuitive interface for developing your website, and for beginners, it's easy to create a website. For digital downloads, online courses, and memberships only, in general, the options are more consolidated for users in these industries. Now you can easily create a stunning storefront in minutes and start selling your digital products. No technical knowledge required and no third-party plugins required. Podia is a one-stop digital storefront as it offers everything you need to create and sell online courses, digital downloads, and memberships. Podia features generally fall into four main categories: membership, online courses, digital downloads, email marketing, Podia editor. Let's see what this is for each of the above parts. So membership site. Membership site software can help you with decent passive income in your pocket. Podia really makes it easy to create and manage an online community without the need for dozens of software tools like payments, content delivery, email updates, and many other things. Offers multiple plans. Simply create different membership levels with different resources, content, and prices. Create member-only content. You can now easily share text, video, images, or audio content directly with your community, and your paid members will get updates when you share any updates. Engage with your members. Membership in your community is a two-way street. With Podia, you can easily communicate with your customers and everyone else. Online courses. You can now create and sell online courses right from the simplest platform on the planet. Podia really makes things easier by simply putting everything you need to create, sell, and manage online courses in one place. Unlimited everything. Everything is unlimited in Podia, and here you don't have to worry about monthly prices because your business is growing. All plans include multiple bandwidths, file size, and multiple courses, sales, etc. Deep learning course content. Simply give your clients immediate access to your online courses and then send them out section by section over time. Adding course content will definitely give you more control over the e-learning process. Upload any type of file. Podia generally supports video, MP3, text, links, PDFs, PSD, PPT, along with many other files too. Digital downloads. Just sell digital downloads without technical knowledge, as this is where Podia does it all for you. You can simply upload your files and you are ready to sell. Sell anything. You can easily sell any type of digital download, including ebooks, PDFs, cheat sheets, checklists, audio files, and more. Podia supports many other file types. speedy checkout. Your sales pages are already optimized for higher conversion rates, and customers can easily buy your products and start direct download in seconds. No account required. Your customers just need to enter their email address and payment information to purchase downloadable products. No account creation or registration interferes with the process. Email. The email newsletter platform is also for all creators. As we all know, your email list is your most valuable marketing tool, and thanks to Podia, you get this feature. Podia will definitely help you make this list, nurture it, and create more. Pricing plans. Podia coupon free 2 months. Podia offers simple and quite affordable pricing options. It has straightforward pricing for you to get your online business up and running. The best part is that the Podia platform also offers a 14-day trial offer. No credit cards required. Podia doesn't come cheap, but the features and interface it offers are great and really make up for the price. Podia mainly offers 2 data plans. Let's see what they really are. Mover, $39 per month. Online courses, digital downloads, email marketing, 0 transaction fees, unlimited everything, 24/7 support. Shaker, $79 per month. Online courses, digital downloads, email marketing, membership, 0 transaction fees, unlimited everything, 24/7 support, affiliate marketing, third-party code, free migration, Podia platform security. We all know that if the website or checkout page is insecure, no one will make any transactions. Therefore, it is better to have a secure checkout page so that your customers can easily enter their details and make any purchases. And here, Podia checkout is usually protected by Stripe and PayPal. The best part is that Podia does not collect any information when one of your customers walks through the checkout. All checkout pages and interface are fully protected. You will be surprised to know that all of your transactions are mostly sent through an encryption process protected by 128-bit SSL encryption. And if you're trying to sell your courses online or downloadable digitally, it will definitely help you, as often people try to bypass the system to get everything for free. One of the good things about choosing Podia is that they offer free SSL certificates for both plans to provide an extra layer of security for your transactions.